Good day, everyone. My name is Marisa P. Masobay. Let me share you about my insights of Levenson's politeness theory. So, why won't we just say what we mean, or even what we feel, or what we want to comment about a certain thing? So, even though we love to talk about what we want to say, we are we are still concerned about being polite to others. So, politeness is very important in communication, which it helps maintain social harmony and manage interpersonal relationship. So, why is it politeness is important in your communication? So, okay, it builds good relationship. So politeness help create and maintain good relationship. So when we are polite, we show respect and consideration to others. So which make people feel valued and appreciated. Next, it is important in communication the politeness to avoid conflicts. So politeness help to prevent conflict and misunderstanding by being polite. We can express our thoughts and opinions without hurting or causing hurt to others. Next, it by being polite in conversation, it reflects to you. So being polite makes a good impression on others. So it shows that you are well mannered and considerate. So which can be beneficial in both personal and professional situation. So aside of many advantage of being polite in conversation, there are also disadvantage of being polite or too polite. So, being taken advantage of. So, if you are always very polite, others might see you as pushover and take advantage of your kindness. So, they might expect you to always agree with them or do favors without reciprocating. Next, dependency. So, overly polite individuals may become dependent on others' approval or validation, prioritizing social harmony over personal needs or assertiveness. Our face is our desired self-image, and this is the identity we want to present to others. Being polite will also be seen through our facial expression. So the image we project to our parents, to our friends, co-workers, and even to our classmates. So our interactional partners or the person we talk to also have self-image they want to maintain. So each one of us needs to help to uphold the desired image of politeness. So, in summary, politeness is a key aspect of effective communication. So, it helps us connect with others, avoid conflict, and show respect, and create a positive environment for interaction. So, be polite. Thank you.